Alright, so I have another layout, and my background is Basil cardstock. Nothing. I'm going to use the last of, this is the last layout I do, and I use every single pattern paper, and I only have 3 of the Basil cardstocks left. Otherwise, and all the paper scraps, I use every bit of it. Oh, I do have the Maybe Homes cards left over too, which I'm bringing over to the Make Kit so I can kind of still use those. Yes. Do you need him?
No.
You want to go curl up next to him and cuddle?
No.
Do a Saturday morning cuddle?
No.
Oh.
Hey.
I'm just asking why you're... Don't! Leave it! If I wanted it there, I would put it there. I was just asking, because you're asking about where he's at. You're not going to go say hi to the other 2 cats? Outside? Oh. Okay. So stickers are Jen Hatfield from March kit.
What?
Nothing.
I'm reading.
The die cuts I use are Maggie Home Sweet Story, the floral sticker and flower container with the flowers, and the flowers banner is Cardabella's Summer Market. And those bows are Maggie Home Sweet Story. And those green glitter stickers are very old. Oh gosh. I'll start. Oh, you're behind me. I thought you left. I'll start your biscuit or your sausage and eggs in a little bit. Alright, so Hello, Rad, and the stars are American Crafts stickers. And then you are American Crafts Sweet Pea stickers, which are from this kit. I just didn't use them very much. And then the 2 file tags, I guess, that I used in the bottom and top right corner and the card is cut from the Maggie Home Sweet Story cut apart sheet. Alright, and then that is going to complete my layout. So when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.